Introduce highlight features and quick overview of Jingmei Premier Robotic Pool Vacuum. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Never miss a new clip from our channel. You can press to subscribe us and press the bell. Look for all. Press to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Highlight features or overview summary are include. The Swimming Pool Cleaner Robot is a new type of effective cleaning equipment independently developed by our company. It has 3 parts: the cleaning machine, the power console and the control panel. 24-volt DC supplied ensures safety. Excellent and efficient pool coverage. Each Robotic Cleaner 120 cleans a mid-sized pool in approximately 1 hour. Ultra lightweight, durable, environmental protected. Advanced self-learning scanning programmer, automatically detects obstacles ahead, automatically avoids and prevents collisions. Handle small acorns, long palm leaves and other rough debris, guaranteeing smooth operation, thoroughly clean the floor, walls and waterline. Efficient suction chamber leaves a clean path while scanning the pool. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell. Look for all. Press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.